Important notes. Let's do some important notes. You have to be very careful about these points. Point number 1. P in print function must be in lowercase. For example, if I put print in capital, print of hello, it gives name error. Name print is not defined. Look, we are going to do some important points. They must be noted. Point number 1. P in the print function must be in lowercase. It shouldn't be in uppercase. This P must be in lowercase. If you put P in capital, print of hello, and then when you run the program, you will get name error in the output. You won't get any answer. You will get an error which is called name error. Name print, P with a capital, print is not defined. This print is not defined. It has to be in lowercase. P should be in small, not in capital. This is point number 1. Be careful about the P. It should be in the lowercase, not in the uppercase. Point number 2. Don't miss parentheses with the print function. For example, if I put print of hello without parentheses, in the output it gives name error. Parenthesis is missing. Point number 2 shows that don't miss parentheses with the print function. The time when you use the print function, you must put parentheses. The statement, the expression inside the quotes must be within the parentheses. You have to put parentheses here and here. It has to be enclosed. This thing has to be enclosed in the parentheses. If you don't put parentheses and when you run the program, you will get name error. In the output, you will get an error. You won't get proper output. What kind of error? The error is that parenthesis is missing. Their parentheses are missing. There is no parenthesis. Therefore, you must be careful that with the print function, you must put parentheses. Point number 3. In simple print function, don't miss single quotes or double quotes. For example, if I put print of hello, you will get name error. Name hello is not defined. Point number 3 tells us that with the print function, with a simple print function, don't miss single quotes or double quotes. You may use single quotes or double quotes, but never miss them. If you don't put quotes here and here, this hello will not be highlighted. The time when you put the quotes, it will be highlighted. It will be in the red color. So without quotes, when you execute the program, when you run the program, you will get name error. What kind of name error? The error is that name hello is not defined because hello is without the quotes. You don't have quotes. You must put double quotes or single quotes for the print function. If you don't put it, you will get name error where this expression will not be defined. It is for the string or it is for the character or the expression in the words. If you have a simple digits like 1, 2 and 3, you don't need to put quotes, single quotes or double quotes. But if you have a variable or a character, a sequence of character or any kind of string, you must put double quotes or single quotes. If you don't put, you will get name error. What kind of name error? Where the name error will show that look, your expression is not defined.